Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to get Polygon address in MetaMask. Because to get started with a quick analysis on how to get Polygon address in MetaMask, so the first thing to do is to click the MetaMask icon on the browser or on your mobile phone just to launch the app on your device. Then from there, you have to switch to network. You have to switch network to Polygon. So to do this, at the top of MetaMask, you will see a drop down with your current network like Ethereum mainnet. Then click it and select Polygon mainnet. Then once that is done, click on your wallet name or the address. Then your address starts with 0x. Then simply click it to copy it to your clipboard, and that's it. And here's a quick tip: your MetaMask wallet address stays same across network, so your Ethereum and Polygon address will be identical, but the network you are connected to will determine which token you see. And that's it. So make sure you take note of these key important tips, because any mistake can lead you to your loss of your asset. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.